The guy with the white helmet, he's the one doing the wheelie.
I'm 1096 so far on Riverside, so you're either still southbound or cut over. You got 2 motor units that we can be right here at the traffic light, and if they get the light, we can just jump out and grab them. It says the only one with a white helmet?
Yep, 10-4.
Sheriff's K-9, get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hands.
Yes, sir. I'm hurt. I got hurt.
Turn over!
Sir.
Put your hands behind your back!
Sir, I got
Give me your hands! Shut up!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the description of the one on foot?
We got him.
Idiot!
I know.
Yeah, you know! Stay on your belly!
Sir, my leg.
Stay on your belly!
Yes, sir.
Look like you were running pretty good to me.
Oh my God.
Fuck! Oh my God! Sir,
Stay
you've
there.
got to hold my right
We got
leg
a
up.
rescue coming to you.
Yes.
That was dumb. That was dumb.
You think? Then he tried to run. Now he's his legs back.
Oh yeah, ran just fine.
On P Street? Yeah. Look at it. Are you guys kidding me?
Yeah, seems like you ran pretty good from there to here.
But it fucking hurt.
I'm sure it does. You know how your leg doesn't hurt? You don't run from the cops and crash your bike. That's how it doesn't hurt.
Understood, but I'm in pain right now.
Good job. Well, don't run from the sheriff's office. Then you won't crash your bike.
This is funny?
No, I don't think it's funny. I think it's incredibly stupid, but...
I'm with a group of people. They all kept going. What am I supposed to be doing? You crashed, and then you
ran
started
through the
to run all
park.
the way over here. We're being chased by 12 cops in the middle
You
of
were...
the
Oh, no.
What am I supposed to do?
Hold on.
Stop and figure out why we're chasing
Hold
you.
on. What's your first name? Joshua.
Mike.
I was the one that was behind you guys on Old Dixie, lit you up.
All right.
Every one of you looked right back at me, and what'd you do? You guys all gunned it, so this is all on you.